Hello, Milligan friends and alumni. I'm going to take off my mask so my glasses don't fog up while we talk for a few minutes. It is great to speak to you again from the beautiful campus here at Milligan. It has been a long, lonely summer since our students left in the spring to finish the spring semester online, but they're all back, and it is great to see them wandering around campus, going to and from class, and spending time in the cafeteria and elsewhere on campus, all at a socially safe distance, of course, and with Milligan masks on. We're really pleased with how safe the campus has been so far this semester, and how well our students are doing and our faculty and staff are doing. So we're just grateful for that, and grateful for your continued support and love for Milligan. Since we are back now, there's a lot of new things and some changes that have happened on campus, including this beautiful building. The Student Center has been renovated this summer. Of course, we have a new name. We're now Milligan University, and we have a new logo and new gear that you can get in the remodeled bookstore when you're able to be on campus. And in the meantime, you can go online and buy some gear on campus. We're very sorry that you're not going to be able to be with us on campus in person this year, but I hope you enjoy the virtual things that we're providing to you. Our choir ensembles will be providing some musical productions for you. We'll have a theater production that will be available, as well as some mini lectures. So once again, I hope that we will be able to be back together again next fall. But in the meantime, let me just end by saying to you what I have said in virtually every email and communication that I have made with our students and our faculty and our staff. I hope you stay well, take care of yourself and each other.